Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Palantir. Palantir is a next generation company. It's heavily involved in data analytics, AI, a lot of the new technologies that are going to drive forward the next wave of technology, and it's going to be great. So I think Palantir is the next Google, Facebook, of the next generation of stocks that are going to be coming up. This is going to be one of them. Palantir is a major driving force behind a lot of the things that are going to be better in the future, analytics-wise. So go do some research, try to figure it out. Go see out my other videos on Palantir, a little bit more in-depth analysis, fundamental, technical, theoretical, and what they do. But for now, let's just suffice it to say it's a great company. This $45 is still a bargain in my opinion. In the long term, the stock is probably going to $1,000 in the next 5 years. No problem. Obviously not investing advice, but go check them out. So technical indicator is green. This is a buy indicator. So it's saying that the price is above the moving average, which it is above actually both the 20-day and the 200-day, which is a very, very bullish sign. Now, here we saw that we had a cross lower. This is a death cross, but then it popped back up, so we got a golden cross, and we pop back down. That's a death cross. So I'm assuming it's going to go back up again this week, so we're going to have another golden cross. So it's been kind of going kind of sideways, up and down. Had some gyrations in there. Lost some contracts, gained a couple contracts. Long term, this company is going to be awesome. They're both on the commercial side and defense side of things. You can see the trading volume is decreased, so not a lot of pressure here in the MACD, not a lot of momentum, but it's still positive, so that's good. Now we did have a stochastic. We bounced off the 80% mark, so I'm not sure. It probably could go higher. We can see it's probably moving higher right here. So that's a good sign that it's moving back to the high side. So this might be a really good time to sell a cash covered put, depending on how much premium you can get for it. Let's go take a side track, and let's go look at Palantir. All right, let's see. We're at 47 days out. That's a lot of time, but $1.42. I'm not super impressed with that. Let's go to November monthly. $1.22. See, that's pretty reasonable. I might do that. Not a lot of premium, but for 20 days, it's not bad. I'll take it. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel. You can see that trade happen in almost real time. It's usually that day. I post the trade. I trade in the morning, and then I post it before the end of trading, so you guys can take a look at that and evaluate it on its own merits, and you can decide to do what you do from there. Anyway, or you can do it the next day and do your own analysis. Always research. Research is key. That's why I spend my weekends doing this. I'm looking at charts, trying to plan out my week. Now, I'm not going to post this in the beginning of the week. Not sure when it'll go up, but it'll probably be during the week sometime. Might be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe not Friday. The kind of data might be a little stale by Friday, but might carry through. But I'll probably make this trade earlier in the week, as long as I get a confirmation on like Monday that this stock is going to continue to move higher and not backtrack, because I don't want to see any of these indicators flip backwards. I'm very comfortable with it at this price point. Not a problem. Around 20 bucks would be an awesome place to get in. Would have been a great place to get in. Yeah, that's always the case, right? So I'm a little behind the curve. Even at $1, it's only 24. So decreasing the cost basis is one of the keys to options and trading and stock trading, in my opinion. As long as you keep decreasing that cost basis, you can increase your profitability and gain cash flow in your account, which is really, really good, as long as you can maintain the buying power. Now, I've had some issues with buying power, been very, very bullish on stocks, so I've been selling a lot of puts and chewing up a lot of my buying power. So I'll have to see what I got left. But anyway, this is a good candidate, depending on how much premium I can squeeze out of it for next week. So be sure you guys subscribe and smash that like button, and thanks for watching.